Did you know that a single arrest, even if you were never charged or convicted, can still show up in background checks for the rest of your life? That could mean missed job opportunities, trouble getting a loan, or even difficulty finding housing. But in Texas, you may have options to clear or seal your record. Today, we're going to talk about expunction and non-disclosure, because your past shouldn't limit your future. Hi everyone, I'm Anthony Segura with Segura and Kiatta. If you ever wondered, can I clear my record? You're in the right place. And if you want more legal insights like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's get started. What do expunction and non-disclosure actually do? Well, let's break it down. Expunction is like hitting delete on your record. If you qualify, the record's erased. You can legally say it never happened. Even law enforcement can't see it. It's the closest thing to a clean slate. Non-disclosure, it's a little different. It's more like locking your record away. The public, employers, landlords, background check companies, they won't see it. But government agencies like law enforcement, state licensing bureaus, they still retain access. So here's the simple difference. Expunction means the record is destroyed. But non-disclosure, the record is sealed from the public, but it still exists. Let's talk about whether you qualify for expunction. You may qualify for expunction if you were arrested but never formally charged, or your case was dismissed without a court-ordered probation, and the statute of limitations has expired. You also qualify if you were found not guilty at trial, or you completed a formal pretrial diversion program and obtained a dismissal. Let's take an example. You're arrested for DWI. You go to trial and are found not guilty. The criminal prosecution's over, but that arrest record still shows up in background checks and all court documents remain public. With expunction, it's wiped away clean. Now, if you plead guilty and get probation, expunction's off the table. But non-disclosure, that may still be an option. You may be eligible for non-disclosure if you successfully complete deferred adjudication, obtain a dismissal, and the waiting period has passed without you getting in any more trouble. You may also qualify if you're convicted of certain low-level misdemeanor offenses and you have no prior criminal history. But non-disclosure, the record is sealed from the public. Now, there are certain offenses like family violence, sex cases, those can never be sealed. That's why it's so important to have a lawyer review your case. All right, so you qualify. How do we go about obtaining the order of non-disclosure? Well, we start by filing a petition with the court. Expunctions are filed in a civil district court. Non-disclosures are filed with the court that handled your case. We may or may not be required to attend a hearing. In the vast majority of cases, I'm able to obtain the agreement of the prosecutor's office and submit paperwork for the judge to sign. That way, neither of us needs to appear in court. Once the judge grants the expunction or non-disclosure, the clerk's office notifies the law enforcement agencies involved in your case. That includes the court, the police, the district attorney's office. They're ordered to remove or seal your record. Background check companies, they're required to update their records to reflect the court order as well. The laws on expunction and non-disclosure in Texas are complicated. Whether you qualify doesn't just depend on the charge itself. It depends on your personal criminal history, the facts of your case, and exactly how your case was handled in court. Even small details like the manner in which the case was dismissed or the type of probation you received can make all the difference. That's why having an experienced lawyer look at your situation is so important. At Segura and Kiatta, we know what to look for. We have the experience to navigate the process, and we can help make sure you don't miss your chance to clear your record. The process can be complicated, and missing even a small step could cost you the chance to clear your record. At Segura and Kiatta, we help people like you every day. Give us a call, visit our website, or schedule a consultation. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more legal tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm Anthony Segura. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, your past doesn't have to limit your future.